terms of jobless claims, I'm a bit surprised that they haven't popped a bit higher. And I also have this feeling that the coronavirus may indeed be incubating here, and the numbers are going to go up. But I certainly think that there's a little bit more hysteria than warranted. So 216,000. We're actually down 3,000 on claims, and continuing claims actually are very lateral, basically, from 1.72 million to 1.729. Fourth quarter productivity, 1.2. Darn close to expectations, a couple tenths light in the rearview mirror. And do remember that when we look at productivity, this is going to be affected more on a global basis, in my opinion, of late. And when we look at unit labor costs associated with those productivity gains, they were definitely easing back, only 0.9. So labor costs 0.9, productivity about in line. The aftermath here, we see that we're sitting at 60 basis points in a two-year note yield. You know, these are among the lowest intraday levels going back to the summer of 2016 for a two-year. 10-year notes, 90 is the intraday low in this series, and that, of course, was from Tuesday, so we want to pay close attention. We didn't take it out yesterday. We're getting very close. And you also want to keep a very close eye on the other central banks. A great article in the Wall Street Journal today. Christine Lagarde and company are actually more put in the box by us getting in front of a coronavirus from a central banking perspective before we have any of the returns in. And I think that this is going to be an ongoing issue. No matter what Christine Lagarde says, no matter what any of the ECB technocrats tell you, they have very little ammunition left. And if monetary policy becomes the tool to try to combat a coronavirus, and I understand the very weak link to the economy without any facts really being known, it's just going to make it worse. They're going to be put to a spot on their rates and their policy where there really isn't any room for any economic expansion, much less a backside to this that truly has economic negative consequences versus health negative consequences, even though I do understand there is a thread there.